Are you in the process of applying for a fiance visa and feeling overwhelmed by all the steps that are involved and unsure of where to even begin? Well, you're not alone. Many couples feel this way at the beginning of their immigration journey. And I am here today to break down the steps that are involved in the K1 fiance visa process. I'm attorney Megan Pastrana from the immigration firm for couples. My firm is dedicated exclusively to assisting couples across the nation and across the world in navigating the US immigration process. So let's dive into the steps involved in a fiance visa. There's a lot of steps that are involved, but I like to break it down to as few steps as possible to make it as clear as possible. So I like to say that the fiance visa process has 4 steps. And the first step involved is something called a petition or Form I-129F. A lot of people refer to it that way as well. But essentially, it is the application process to show immigration that you are eligible to receive the fiance visa. And I discuss eligibility in a separate video. But in general, you're showing immigration that you've met in the past 2 years and that you have a real relationship based on love, not just to receive an immigration benefit. Once that petition is approved, you will go on to step 2, which is the Department of State visa phase of the case. And this is where you have to show immigration certain civil documents, your birth certificate, proof that the petitioner is a United States citizen, financial documents, there's a fingerprint appointment and a medical exam, and an interview with a consular officer at a US embassy or consulate abroad, where they will ask you questions about your immigration background and your relationship. If you are approved at that interview, you will receive the fiance visa in your passport. And then with that visa, we'll go into step 3. You would enter the United States with that visa, and you'll have 90 days to get married. Yes, you heard that right. You have 90 days to get married. And then once you've married in 90 days, then we go on to step 4. And that is step 4 is the application called Application for Adjustment of Status. This is essentially the application where you apply to receive your green card. It's often referred to, or it's actually legally called your lawful permanent resident status in the United States. So after you apply for your adjustment of status, you'll again have another interview with an immigration officer, and then eventually receive your green card and social security card to be able to remain lawfully in the United States as a couple. I know that was a ton of information. If you check out our website, Immigration for Couples, we have a free downloadable chart that goes over these steps in even more detail. Thanks for watching.